guys, I'm going now to San Carlos City to have my bike tuned up. I'll just have to have the valve fluid adjusted and clean my carb. So far, I just finished, or last couple of weeks ago, I had my change oil. So I'm not just gonna have my change oil done because I already did that. So I'm just going there for my tune-up. My mechanic is from there. hazard right there. Very dangerous. Ooh, Mazda MX-5. Yeah, not that far. So guys, the place that we're going to right now is a Yamaha CS shop. So we're gonna take a peek. We're gonna take a look at all those bikes that are on display on the showroom while my bike is being serviced. Bayambang San Carlos is just a short ride, something around 20-25 minutes. So from here, if you're in San Carlos, if you happen to pass by San Carlos, if you're heading this way, there's only 2 areas that you're gonna be exiting the town. Either you're going to Lingayen or Alaminos, and well, you have to take the left hand side. And if you're going to Baguio, passing through the Busan, you have to take this road here that I'm on right now. Okay, so we're here. We're here. So, the bike area. There's my mechanic right there. Tama. Pasok ko na lang. Dito na lang sa may gilid. Okay, so we're looking at the scooter section right now. So these are the old Mios, the Mio I-125, and this is the Aerox 155, one of the best scooter bikes of Yamaha. Same design, just like the previous one. So we're gonna take a look if they have here the Yamaha R15. Oh, they don't have the R15 anymore. Most of the bikes that are on display are the scooters. I think these are the best sellers now. This is something to Star right here. Okay, so before, this is where the R15 is located, so right now they don't have that model anymore. All they have are the scooters and the flatboats or the commuters. So they have the YTX, they have a couple of Aerox models here. We have the black, and we have here the orange one, and the white one, and the movie star. So this is the X-Max, guys. I'm not sure how much this is, but let's check if they have the price tag on this bike. But I'm not sure about the displacement of the X-Max, but I think it's around like probably 300 or something. Because I know the T-Max is the largest one, so X-Max is the one on the middle. Okay, so far these are their bikes. Okay, so I guess that's it. This is their San Carlos Yamaha 3S shop. I'll just have to wait for my bike to be finished. Okay, so they offered me a glass of orange juice. So great service. Good customer service here at Yamaha 3S shop San Carlos. So this is the mechanic bay. I'm at the customers lounge. So the other side of the road is the Honda Guan zone. Getting the carb clean, and we'll check if the previous performance would come back, or if we can still adjust the valve clearance, because it is now running on a 7,000 kilometers on its odometer. Okay, so we're done with the maintenance. So they've adjusted my valve clearance. Also, they've cleaned my carb, and the mechanic told me that there's somewhat like a accumulation of like a white salt stuff in my carb. So probably that would be one of the reasons why. And also the my carb was adjusted to like 2.5 turns, because it was before, I think it was changed into, I don't know, someone changed it, or I don't know what happened, but it's only like a 1.8 or 1.5 turns on the carb itself. So now we have it switched back to the 2.5 factory setting. And I also have my chain adjusted, so we'll just have to check if everything is working fine. Oh, okay. With the first rev on the low RPM, I kind of felt that it became responsive now.